Alright, recently I bought one of these NAVAGE sinus cleaners, and I've been pretty happy with it during allergy season here. What it does, you fill this top part with water, and then there's a saline mix that they have you push in there, and then one of these will suck through your nose and draw the water from here through your sinuses and then back into that bottom compartment there. Works pretty slick. But the thing is you can only use these proprietary little pods that have a saline mixture in it that you mix with the water, about 200 milliliters of water, and they're 46 cents a pop, so that adds up. I mean, smart if you're NAVAGE and you want to sell a bunch and make a bunch of money. I don't blame you, but I also don't blame me for hacking this and using my own stuff. So what you want to do is this top rim here, you want to, once you use one, you want to cut it off so you're left with just this. So you want the plastic part of that. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to drop that in here. And there's the two little buttons that you need to have pop down. So this one and then this one, they're done in an order. So and you'll see in a second here why that matters. So if you just close this, it's not going to do anything. And if you try to push this button with it open, it's not going to work. So you have to close this a little bit, and then you hear that click sound. Once it's clicked, you know you're good. You push it all the way down, and now you're in business. So that's great. So now you can use that without the pods. And just to give you an idea, so these things are 46 cents a piece. Whereas if you just grab a bag of this stuff, I mean, there's lots of different brands out there. This is $2.99 Canadian. So Googling it, quarter teaspoon is what I'm mixing to every 200 mil. And that's what fits in that machine. That top of there, that fills 200 milliliters to the full line I mean. So a quarter teaspoon equals about 1.375 grams. If I divide that by 200 grams, that's in here, I get 145 pods, basically worth 145 of those pods. And so that will cost you 2 cents each instead of 46 cents each. So substantial savings, and then you're using as much as you want. You're not really dialing it back based on the cost of the pods. Anyways, hopefully that was helpful, and yeah, happy sinus cavity cleaning. Anyways, catch you later.